Welcome! In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to transfer a ticket from Shop-Ware to AutoTextMe. Shop-Ware users can add a ticket a variety of ways. You can click the New Estimate button on the upper right of your screen, or you can go to the Customer tab on the left. In this case, we're going to start a new estimate for a pre-existing customer, our familiar friend Joe Palooka. And here he is. We'll go ahead and select his 2002 Honda Odyssey. Now, all we need for a ticket to transfer from Shop-Ware to AutoTextMe is the actual customer name or business name, a phone number, year, make, and model of the vehicle. You'll see I already have some additional information on this vehicle. This is not required, but it will transfer into AutoTextMe if it's there, including the client's email. I'm going to go ahead and assign a technician, and we'll assign our advisor, and then we're going to add a service in this case. This is not a necessary item, but I'm going to add this right now. And then we're going to go ahead and start the job. Starting the job is important. This gives us our RO number, and we now can change the status on the ticket. And this is where the trigger to AutoTextMe actually occurs. You'll select from the drop down here. You'll choose check-in. In this case, you can start in any status. I'm going to choose check-in. And now, with that done, this ticket should already be in AutoTextMe. There's Joe Palooka on our board. We're ready to begin work. You can see user mapping in action here. Our service writer and technician have been assigned, and I can now dispatch work accordingly using either set priority or tech flow, depending on the level of subscription you're using within AutoTextMe. In this case, I want to make this a priority 1 for my technician, leave it off. So we'll go into our tech flow and we'll move the 2002 Odyssey to the priority number 1 position on Lee's queue. With that done, these vehicles now in the priority 1 status, and you can continue to see how the process works as you explore how status sync and some of the other features work within Shop-Ware. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.